Hi guys, today I just want to share you something because as you can see on the screen, I've downloaded Audacity, Ripper, and Cakewalk by BandLab and the FL Studio. All of this, dinownload ko siya para pang-edit ng song na kinakover ko. But unfortunately, when I get into the interface of any of this application, I'm like, oh my gosh! I was overwhelmed. It's because sobrang daming bot. Hindi ko alam kung anong pipindot. At saka yung mga instructions sa YouTube, hindi ko maintindihan. Lalo na itong yung Cakewalk by BandLab, Ripper, and then the FL Studio. Sobrang nahihirapan talaga ako. And the reason why na gusto ko silang gamitin kasi yung application kasi na ginagamit ko for when I'm doing my covers, ang ginagawa kasi it automatically do the effects, especially the reverb and other thing, and hindi niya masyadong nare-remove yung unwanted noises, especially the hissing sound, and it pisses me off. It's like daming hiss, as you've noticed sa mga covers ko, siya, ang dami niyang hissing sound, parang ahas, pisses me off. Tabang mga langit.